This particular stock number is what we call it's a heavy duty Gudgeon with an extra heavy duty rear frame, and the reason it's called extra heavy duty, it comes off of a 9R. This is a visual. This is also a visual, this extra heavy gusset or support. I don't know that these do anything, but that's just the visual of how we determine it's off of a 9R. This can be used as an upgrade for any 9000 series, but the price point, it's really going to be probably a 9R only, unless you got a real special 90/30 that you're wanting to keep. Yeah, these don't always make sense to buy, but here's where they do. So your Gudgeon goes bad, whether you got a bearing or a bushing, and you don't catch it, what will happen is that the flex will the bottom meet in the flex. So when the tractor's under load, the bottom end's going to get into this frame, and if it gets into it long enough, it will not seal if you replace your seal. So you'll just keep having that problem over and over and over. If you're not going to keep your tractor and you're not worried about it, it's not a deal. But if you're going to, it is a deal, because you won't be able to keep bearings in it. So this isn't for everybody, isn't for all the time, but if it happens, we can fix you up. We also do we sell a lot of just the bearing style Gudgeons. We also sell just some of the frames. We don't split, once we've rebuilt these particular ones, we don't split them up. No pins with them, but bushings are in them. No pins in the steering cylinder. Those don't have bushings, but